Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add different shape in Google Docs. Open your Docs file. Now select this insert option. Here you will find this drawing option, select, and now select new plus option. Now here you will find this drawing option, shape option. Now here you can draw any kinds of shape. So this shape. Now see this shape, border white and fill color. Also I will draw this arrow. Say this border color, also says fill color. Also I will draw line, white 8. Also draw this color, yeah, and border. This is various shape already added. Now you can align this shape. Select right button. Here you can align left, center, right, align top, middle, bottom, vertically top. Yeah. Now simply select save and close. Yeah. This is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.